This lemon cake is soft, buttery, perfectly moist, packed full of lemon flavor. Today, I'll show you a few simple tricks that make this cake perfectly soft every time. To make this cake, we're using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. The zest is the secret to a strong, natural lemon flavor. The butter and oil mix add richness and keeps the cake moist. This is a one-bowl method, which is super easy and gives you an excellent sponge every time. Try not to overmix because that can make the cake dense. The cake is ready when the center springs back lightly. Let's make a simple homemade lemon curd. This lemon curd is smooth, creamy, and adds an extra burst of fresh lemon flavor. It adds a beautiful glossy finish and an extra layer of bright citrus flavor. Look at that texture, soft, tender, and perfectly moist. This cake stays soft for up to 3 days in an airtight container. If you enjoy soft homemade cakes like this one, you might also love my carrot cake and strawberry cake recipes.